some people, you've probably got a burning idea inside of you already. Perhaps there's been this little thing inside of you niggling away saying, write this story, spread this message. Maybe you are an expert in a particular area. I work a lot with people who are entrepreneurs, course creators, experts, coaches, consultants of some kind. You may already have an area of expertise. And I can tell you now that publishing a book in that topic, in that area of expertise that you have, will be an absolute game changer for your credibility and for how you are viewed and portrayed in your industry. I'd recommend, if you are in that kind of space of being an entrepreneur, an expert, a business owner, a particular field, go with a topic that's related to the thing that you're an expert in, because your book is going to sell you, you are going to sell your book, and they basically become cross-promotional tools for you and your business and your brand to grow dramatically. For others, it may be that you have some kind of life story. Maybe you've been through a series of traumatic or challenging events in your life. Maybe it's the opposite way around and you have a load of wins, successes. You've managed to make something yourself against the odds, and people want to know how you did that. And just telling your story, what you went through, what you've experienced in life, how that felt. People are fascinated by other people's stories. They're inspired and they're moved by what you have gone through. But it's amazing how often we can read someone else's story and somebody else's feelings and go, oh my goodness, me too. That sense of validation that people get from hearing how you're experiencing life can be life-changing to other people. I think a lot of people do underestimate the power and the strength of their story or the things that they have to share with the world. So whether it's an inner niggling, a journey that you just want to get out just for you, or whether you have something to teach and some knowledge to share, any of those are reasons and topics to use to get out there as an author.